but there was a lot of definitive hail marks up on that roof. So Caleb just hopped off this roof next door. We just finished up the inspection on this house. A lot of hail damage up there. Soft metals were really beaten up. Really good indication that there was hail in fact. I had 12, 13 marks on my south face, and I believe 10 or 11 on my west face. So there was tons of damage up there. I believe they're going to qualify for sure. This house had a lot of hail and a lot of provable hail. You could look at the mark and you could definitively say, yep, this is going to be a hail mark here. Nope, maybe this mark over here was caused by a boot or caused by a hammer.